Don't talk to me. Go away, you fat cow. Go eat your chicken. Go away.
Mapapanood sa footage ang pagtatalo ng isang Pilipina at isang babaeng Indian dahil umano sa amoy ng Chicken Joy. Pero imbis na kausapin ng maayos, ito ay kanyang binastos.
I should call you out when you are fat. The Germany chicken. You wonder why you're fat.
At minaliit pa bilang domestic helper lamang.
Excuse me, I'm not a domestic helper.
I said like
And
most
whatever.
of you. Do you
Whatever.
understand English?
Pumirit pa si tita na ang mga Pilipina raw ay parausan lang ng mga dayuhan. Sa isang maikling eksena, lumitaw ang mas malalim na problema. Isa itong malinaw na halimbawa ng racial discrimination or racism. Kaya hindi nakapagtataka kung bakit umapaw ang galit ng mga Pilipino online.
You stinky Indian bitch. Go and take a bath.
Pero habang binabasa ko ang mga maaanghang na komento, napaisip din ako, racist din nga ba ang mga Pilipino? Kung nais natin baguhin ang tingin ng mundo sa atin, kailangan magsimula muna tayo hindi sa iba, kundi sa ating sarili. Una, igalang ang kultura ng iyong lugar na pinupuntahan. Kung gusto mong igalang ka bilang isang Pilipino, unahin mong igalang ang iba. Pangalawa, piliin ang tamang komunidad. Mas madaling matuto at magpakatao kapag tama ang kasama mo. Pangatlo, tanggapin na hindi lahat ng kultura ay pasok sa iyong panlasa. At okay lang yan. Pang-apat,
Louis Sangalong is the living embodiment of resilience. A former national Philippine MMA champion with an unblemished 5-0 record, Louis' victories extend far beyond the cage. He was diagnosed with a rare and aggressive cancer that statistically takes the lives of 1 in 2 patients. Louis not only survived but thrived, earning him the title of undefeated in life. His indomitable spirit saw him recently become the only Filipino cancer survivor to run and finish a full marathon in the North Pole. He then finished second on the remarkably successful Netflix spin-off show of President Donald Trump, The Apprentice Asia, which allowed him to transition to the corporate world, where he played a pivotal role in the growth of several multi-billion peso companies.